right, the teaks that we are covering are simplifying expressions, A10 and A11. The first teak that we're going to look at is teak 10A, and that is adding and subtracting polynomials of degree 1 and degree 2. Basically, what we're doing is combining any like terms. When we're adding and subtracting polynomials, we want to make sure that they're in standard form. That's ax squared plus bx plus c. It's in alphabetical order and exponents from highest to lowest. So these are just adding these two exponents, so I don't need to think of anything different. I'm going to identify the variables with my highest exponent, which is squared. So that's this exponent, negative r squared, and negative 6r squared, and I'm going to combine them. That would give me negative r squared. I'm going to cross them out because I've used them. That eliminates g and j because they have it as positive. Now I'm going to look at the next highest variable, which is 7r and 5r. I'm going to add those together. That's going to give me positive 12r. So that crosses that out, crosses that out. That matches that term there. So that gives me h. We can go ahead and check and further the final. 10 minus 18 gives me the minus 8. So we did do that correctly. All right, this next question is the same teak. Again, I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to identify our like terms. We got these two stores, A and B, and we're going to combine them. We want to combine the two inventories of the store. So I'm going to combine like terms. I've got this term and this term. Now, if I notice, this is 7/2 g squared, and this is 7/2 g squared, and this is 7/2 g squared, and this is 7/2 g squared. So I really don't even have to add those. I know the first term is going to be 7/2 g squared. The next term, I have g here, but I don't have a g in the store A. So this is just going to be minus 4/5 g. So that's going to eliminate C and D because they have it as positive 4/5 g. All right, now I need to take 7/2 plus 1/4 for my last term. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. Let me pull it up. All right, I'm going to add, I'm going to go to alpha y equals, and I can see this list of 1, 2, and 3. The first on the list is n over d, which is numerator over denominator. I'm going to hit enter. That's going to give me a fraction. I'm going to put 7 on top and 2 in the bottom. And then I'm going to add plus, and then we're going to go back to alpha y equals, numerator over denominator, and put 1 over 4, and I'm going to hit enter. That gives me 15 over 4, which is this answer here on A, so our answer is A. This teak is continuing. I need to distribute or combine like terms. The only distribution I have is this negative right there. That negative says I need to distribute. I don't have any distribution going on with the first part of this expression. So I'm just going to rewrite it without the parentheses. All right. And I can't forget that plus 9. Now, negative 1 times 6 gives me negative 6x. Negative 1 times 3 gives me negative 3. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Again, I'm going to go for the higher exponent first. That's negative 6x plus 2x, which gives me negative 4x squared. That eliminates h and j. My x term, by looking at my answer choices, should be negative 2x. So if I look at, we've used 2x and 6x. If we look at 4x and 6x, that would give me minus 2x. I've used those. So now we're going to come down to our last 9 minus 3, which gives me plus 6. So my answer choice is G. We have a new teak, so a teak 10B, so I'm going to go over that in the next video. I will see you next video. See you then.